Hello, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my English class. Today is the second meeting, and as we planned, we're gonna learn about offers and suggestions. And at the end of the lessons, you are expected to be able to first make offers, second ask for and give suggestions, third response to the offers and suggestions. So, what are offers and suggestions?
Offers itu penawaran atau verbnya menawarkan. Offers mean to give something physical or abstract to someone, which can be taken as a gift or a trade. Jadi dia bisa berupa fisik atau abstrak. Meanwhile, suggestions atau saran, verbnya menyarankan, means to propose an idea or a plan for someone's considerations. Bedanya dengan offer, kalau offer berupa fisik atau abstrak, sedangkan saran dia abstrak, berupa ide atau rencana. Okay, now notice the expressions of offer and suggestions in the following dialogue. Ya, coba perhatikan ekspresi offer dan suggestion di dialog berikut ini. Ini ceritanya dialog antara kakak dan adik ya. You look so sad. Why? No, I'm just bored. What should I do? Would you like to go to the gym? I don't feel like going. Okay, how about having karaoke at home? Sounds good. Nah, nemu ya ekspresi offers and suggestions di dialog tadi? Ada 3 ekspresi. Yang pertama ask for suggestion. What should I do? Kata adiknya meminta saran. Kemudian kakaknya menawarkan. Would you like to go to the gym? Dan karena adiknya nggak mau, jadi kakaknya ngasih solusi. Give suggestions. How about having karaoke at home? Oke, selain 3 ekspresi yang di dialog tadi, ada banyak expressions of offers and suggestions dalam bahasa Inggris. Dan yang pertama ekspresi asking for suggestions dulu atau meminta saran. Yang pertama kita bisa bilang what should I do? What do you suggest? Atau I need your advice. What's your advice? Do you have any suggestions? Atau if you were me, what would you do? Kalau kamu jadi aku, apa yang harus aku lakukan? Itu pun meminta saran. Atau bisa juga, please tell me what to do. Tolong kasih tahu aku harus ngapain. Itu ekspresi asking for suggestions. Kemudian ada ekspresi making offers atau menawarkan. Ada beberapa ekspresi yang biasa dipakai ketika menawarkan dalam bahasa Inggris. Bisa dengan may I, atau can I, atau shall I, atau seperti contoh dialog tadi, would you, atau how about, bagaimana jika, gitu. Nah, dalam membuat penawaran atau ketika kita menerima tawaran, kita bisa menolak atau menerima tawaran itu. Here are, nah ini beberapa ways, cara to respond to the expressions of making offers. Ini responding to offers, accepting. Nah ini the way how to accept the offers. Ini beberapa cara menerima tawaran. Yes, please. I really appreciate it. Atau kalian bisa bilang, thank you, it's very kind of you. Makasih, kamu baik banget, gitu. Atau that would be lovely. Atau yes please, that would be very kind of you. Thank you. Nah, terus gimana kalau kita mau mendecline penawaran orang lain? How to decline someone's offers? Nah, ini contoh beberapa ekspresi untuk decline someone's offers. Yang pertama, kita bisa bilang, it's okay, I can do it myself, kalau dia menawarkan bantuan gitu ya. Atau cukup dengan bilang, no, thank you, no, thanks, I don't want another helping. Atau don't worry, I'll do it myself. That's alright, I'll manage on my own. Yeah, next, expressions of making or giving suggestions. Yeah, there are many ways to express or give suggestions to others. Di antaranya kita bisa bilang let's dengan verb one seperti let's go, atau why don't we dengan verb one juga, and we could juga plus verb one. We could go to the movie. Nah, atau bisa dengan what about. Kalau what about itu diikuti dengan verb ing. What about going to the movie? How about juga bisa ya. How about going to the movie? Atau I suggest that. Nah, kalau ini diikuti dengan I suggest that, diikuti dengan noun clause. I suggest that you could bla 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 misalnya. Atau you might want to change. Kalau ini diikuti dengan noun phrase. You might want to change your habit. Atau I think, I don't think, itu diikuti dengan sentence. Ya, I don't think you should bla 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 misalnya begitu. Lalu gimana cara merespon someone's suggestions? How to accept it or how to decline it? There are many ways, ada banyak cara dalam bahasa Inggris. Di antaranya kita bisa simply by saying yes or okay, seperti ajakan misalnya let's go. Kemudian kita respon yes, let's go. Atau okay, I will. By the way, ini will-nya L-nya kurang satu ya. Atau kita bisa bilang it's a good idea. Okay, if you say so. Ya udah kalau kamu bilang gitu ya. Atau kita bisa bilang sounds good, sounds great. Gimana kalau menolak saran? Nah, here are the ways how to decline someone's suggestions. Ya, kita bisa simply by saying no atau sorry. No, thank you. Sorry. No, let's just bla bla bla. Nah, atau kita mengucapkan no kemudian memberi solusi yang lain. Tidak, mari kita apa gitu. Atau sorry, I can't. Maaf, aku nggak bisa. Okay, that's all today's materials about offers and suggestions. Ada latihan ya, check your Google Classroom. Thank you for today and see you next meeting. Next meeting kita ada poster presentations, first project for us. Check your Google Classroom. Bye-bye. Assalamualaikum.